morning, guys. I'm sorry for another late upload. I just finished uploading a video. I fell asleep uploading yesterday, guys. I'm so sorry. Like, I have to get like on a roll again, get myself back on track. I am going to be teaching today again, so makeup jump. 1, 2. Good morning, guys. So, quote of the day. Today's quote says, "Far away there in the sunshine are my highest aspirations. I may not reach them, but I can look up and see their beauty, believe in them, and try to follow them." A lot of us, we tend to make a mental list of what we have to do in a day. The little things, sometimes it doesn't necessarily connect with the big thing you want to do. So make sure, instead of just always focusing on the things you have to do every day, make sure you have like a dream board, for example, to remind yourself of the big dreams you want to accomplish. Speaking of dream board, this is how mine looks like right now. I didn't want to put holes in my pictures. That's why I glued a little string there so I could just like paper clip it on. But yeah, this is how my dream board looks like. I'm gonna try to get to it soon, maybe tomorrow, because I have a free day tomorrow. But without further ado, I have to go to school now. We're having bakso. Go to book. So we're here at a bakso place. And I just finished my first class. Second 2 classes.
Yes, second class. The class.
Yeah. So we just got lunch real quick.
Recording. Record my plate. I ordered the medium bakso. It's like chicken noodles, but it's sweeter with meatballs.
I said that one.
And
What do you want to drink? What do you want to drink?
let's see. I want to drink orange juice. Recording.
It's recording. See, this means recording.
Look at this.
Oh, you put ketchup on it.
Sweet. Me too. I want to try.
Can I get one?
My turn.
Good?
It's a good sweet taste. What?
Is it enough? Enough. Lezat. We're playing 3 facts. 1 truth and 2. Okay. Wait, so I'm toothless, I have a pet, and I like reading. Which one is true? One is true? Really? Oh my god! Kenapa? What happened? Oh, motorcycle incident? Motorcycle. Oh, aduh. Makanya. Here we go. Okay? Yep. Finish?
The name of Mushola or Little Mosque.
So he's gonna pray. Are you gonna pray?
No, I'm not praying because insurance.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh. Okay. Shoes. Take.
Yes.
Wow.
The name of Wudu. Raise the hand and feet. Yeah. Salam of Muslim.
So Silvi's makeup tutorial.
Powder.
I wanna see. Saya mau lihat. Oh. Eyeliner? Putih.
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 Suar.
Apa bahasa Indonesianya?
Eyeliner.
Oh, eyeliner. In bahasa English, mascara.
Mascara. Sorry, it's mascara. Sam.
Tidak eyeliner.
No eyeliner. Eyeliner.
Oh, lucu. Oh, ya, eyeliner.
Tapi saya
Tidak menggunakan
lip gloss.
lip gloss.
Eyes.
Next. Oh, yeah.
Finish.
Finish? Okay.
This
Gak apa-apa.
hijab.
Oh, you're wearing something underneath.
Yeah.
Oh.
Okay.
Oh, okay. Mudah. Yeah.
This is ice cream. Basia.
In coconut. Yay! Enak. So you could scrape off part of the coconut. I'm gonna plank. This is my attempt to be healthy. I downloaded actually one video, Blogolati's planking video, so that's what I'm gonna do for my planks. Just finished doing it. This video. I'm not even doing all the planks correctly because I can't. My body can't do it, but like it's sweating like crazy. I hope this is gonna help me change my body. This is my second day doing it actually. I just started yesterday. Good. It's only 10 minutes, so it's completely doable in the day. And I just finished my stretching routine, which I kind of don't have a right to call it a routine because I just started today, but yeah, feels good to exercise, you guys. I just hope that I'll continue this time. Natural sparkling Indonesian mineral water.
It's from Mushola.
Mount
We live
Sala.
near Mushola.
It's one of the 3 mountains that surrounds Bogor.
Oh, okay.
That's why Bogor always rains.
Whoa.
You can really hear it sizzle, right?
Yeah.
It's good. Oh, let me try. It tastes a little bit like beer at the first time.
Beer? You've tasted beer before?
Just a sip. What? Just a sip because my dad has a lot of it at home.
Yeah, okay. By the way, I'm not sure if you guys noticed, but I'm gonna try to upload videos in the morning from now on because I find it more productive and I don't want to lose so much sleep, you know? Like, I want to be able to sleep at night. And it's a good habit to wake up early, so yeah. Super random thought. Is it just me or do you guys too get emotional every time it's the end of a month? It's already the last day of April and yeah, I don't know. I'm feeling a little bit emotional because so many things happened this month and every time a month passes it's like, oh, April was so great, March was so great. It's already 2 months. 2 months already passed since I arrived to Indonesia. How fast is that? Just feeling really thankful. See, I get emotional every time it's the end of the month and then I get a little sad too because that means it's 1 month closer to having to leave Indonesia, but I don't have to think about that yet. Just really happy. Good night, guys. Bye. Mwah.